That's cute. Hey guys, it's Yolanda and I'm back with another fun and fresh video for you guys. So today I'm going to be organizing my closet. I was just organizing some clothes, so there's clothes around me. Today I decided to organize my clothes because I haven't done that in a while and my closet is a mess. So I was like, you know what, let's just do it. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take, but I'm hoping this doesn't take that long. So these clothes, I washed these clothes like a couple days ago and I haven't like put them away yet because I've been lazy. So I emptied out the baskets, or I folded the clothes and now the baskets are empty. So I'm gonna move all my dirty clothes that's like in this pile into the baskets. And then I'm gonna start emptying out my closet. It's like section by section and folding it and putting it with its desired pile. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys later. And most of this video is gonna be like time lapses because that's just the easiest way. I don't know, but yeah. So I will see you guys the next time I pull out my camera. Okay, so the first section of clothes that I'm gonna be doing is my t-shirts because it's literally a mess and this needs to be cleaned up. I'm really nervous because I don't know, I'm just nervous. Like, I'm just nervous about putting all the shirts back into like this little section. So we'll see how that works. Okay, so let's get started. Hold on. Let me move all this junk. I have two cameras rolling. I have this camera and my phone. But my phone's in time lapse, so everything is gonna go by fast. But let's go. Shoot. I'm just gonna put everything on the ground, I guess. Literally so much. And I don't even wear all of this. Maybe I should use this time to like choose which clothes I wanna like donate and clothes I wanna keep. Oh my god, I'm so smart. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna empty my whole closet out because I feel like that's just the most simplest way to do this. Oh my god, it's my old basketball jersey. Number 7. My Girl Scouts. I'm gonna regret this. I can just tie it. Oh. Y'all want some cookies? Now I have all of this clothes. These are pants, and then I have this. And I put all my pants in there. Or like, basically it started off as all my pants, shorts, everything went in here. And then, oh, I ended up just throwing everything everywhere, so. This is full of clothes that I wanted to donate and then we ended up never taking. I also have clothes over here. Hold on, let me get it. This bag full of like bags for literally no reason. I'll update you guys when everything is out of the closet. So I have everything out of the closet and now I have to fold everything. Like look, it's empty. It's so hot in here. Anyways, let's get started with folding. I'm tired. Like, I'm like sleepy tired. Excuse me. I'm literally using a 5 Below tripod, so just bear with me, please. I don't know if I should put all this away first and then fold everything else. I don't know what to do. It's so hot in here. I'm about to open my window. You know what? I'm gonna do that now. Okay, hopefully fresh air can come in. Why is it like that? Literally, I hate this camera. I don't hate the camera, I hate the tripod. Sorry if you don't see my face in like 90% of this video. You know what? I think first I'm gonna do my pants.
It's
okay, because it'll be worth it. So, and everything's already folded, so it's a lot easier. I don't know why it does that. Hold on. Maybe I should put these in.
Why is it like this?
Oh, one of them fell off. I quit. You're the only one that won't go in. Please don't be the only one that... Let's put my jeans in here. There we go. Jeans complete. I have more jeans, I just don't know where they are. I think I'm gonna put this back in here. There. Let's get started. Oh, I have more jeans. Oops. I thought I grabbed all of them. My bad. So, I'm gonna start folding. Okay guys, so I'm done folding all of the clothes. I don't think I'm gonna mess with that clothes because I know that is all clothes that I do not want anymore. So, but, oh, I turned it off, hold on. I put lights in here because, you know, I want to make this cute, but like, ignore the green tape that you'll see. And it's all that goes all the way down there. But yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna do. So, I'm going to, I don't know yet. Okay, like my dresses, nicer clothes over here, and then I'm gonna start putting like sweatpants and shorts in there, and then I'm gonna put my shirts in here, and then my shoes where they were before. Let's get started doing this because I'm so tired. And what time is it? It's 6:52. I'm really tired. But let's get started with this transformation. Oh, my phone fell and it scared me. Here, let me just stop it. Okay, so I got that's like the least amount of clothing items in one section. Now I'm gonna get to shirts.
Started the time lapse.
So now I'm gonna get started putting all of these shirts away. These 3 piles. These are my t-shirts, this section, nicer clothes, and long sleeves. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start with my t-shirts. Yes, let me just get a bunch in one pile. Did you guys hear that? Anyways. Okay, so I have all of the shirts or t-shirts in here, so now I'm gonna do nice shirts, and then I think I'm gonna do long sleeves and then like sweatpants and stuff, and then I'll put shorts in here.
Hey, I'm almost done.
So I have a couple more like nicer shirts, and then I have that pile back there of just like random stuff, like basketball jerseys or like Christmas sweaters, like, you know, that kind of stuff. So what I'm thinking is maybe I can put it like down there in that corner, and then on top of it I can put the rest of the like nicer shirts and stuff, because there's no more room, and I don't want to put it up here because it's like my t-shirt section. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So we've got that done. That took like 2 seconds, but now I'm gonna do long sleeves. Okay, let's get started. It's a lot. That's the second most, or like the second biggest pile. So yeah, also sorry about my acne. It's like really bad, but it'll be worth it. This will be worth it. Plus there's literally nothing better to do. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. T-shirts, nice shirts, Christmas stuff, other nice shirts, long sleeves, dress clothes. Now I think right there I have all of this. So maybe I can put my shorts, because that's not a lot and it can probably fit in one pile. Or I can put leggings. Look how many leggings I have. Yeah, I'm gonna put leggings. Okay. I guess I'll film me doing that because it will literally take 2 seconds. Boom. So now I need to organize this. And then I honestly don't know. I don't know. And then I still need to put my shoes in there. Forgot about my shoes. I guess I'm gonna figure out that little situation. Oh, you can't even see it. I'm gonna figure out the cabinets thing, and I'm just gonna update you guys when it is completely done, or with the clothes, and then I will like show you guys me doing the shoes or something. I don't know. Sorry about my double chin. I'm just trying to get this done. What time is it now? 7:14. So let's get this done before, I'm gonna try to get this done before 8:30. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, so what I did was I put athletic shorts in the second one, and then all of my sweatpants in the third one, and then I left my jean shorts out and like a skirt because I only own one skirt. But yeah, so now I'm gonna put my shoes all under here because that's the last thing I have to do. And I just want to get this over with. I'm just trying to get this done. Also, golden hour. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is organizing my shoes and putting like the pairs together. My phone going for whatever it's called. What's it called? A time lapse. Okay, so I have all the shoes organized. I have more shoes, but like the shoes I wear like every day, they're like around my room somewhere. So I don't feel like I should put them in my closet because I'm wearing them every day, you know? You know what I mean? Now, it's time to put them in the closet. But yeah, put them in my closet and then I'll be done. So I'm officially done organizing my closet. What time is it? Hold on. Okay, it's 7:42. Thought I'd be doing this until like 8 o'clock. Thank God I'm not, because I would have cried. I also have these girl socks. My mom got them for me in Vegas like 2 years ago. I don't want them. Who wants them? They say I'm a girl. What's your superpower? I guess I'll show you guys. I mean, I don't know. So here's my closet to wear So when you walk in, straight to your right, you have dress clothes, and then under it you have your jean shorts, and then in these cabinets there's pants, athletic shorts, and what is it, sweatpants. And over here you can barely see it, but there's 2 pairs of shoes that I couldn't find the matching pair to, so I'm just gonna leave them there and not worry about them. And then over here I have all of my t-shirts, like just, you know, I don't know. And then in these 2 piles I have nicer shirts, and then right here, like these or under, is like seasonal items of clothing, and then on top I have more of the nice shirts that would go up here, but there was no more room. And then I have leggings right here, and then long sleeve shirts in both of these piles. And then down here I have, there's literally no light, but it's okay. But down here I have 2 rows of shoes. I didn't really do them in any specific order, I just kind of put them down. But yeah. Anyways, that's the video. I'm so happy that I'm like basically my throat's kind of messing with me. Do I have the coronavirus? Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. So I'm going to be filming a Q&A. I don't know if I'm going to film that as my next video, but like I want to film a Q&A. Like that's what I've like always wanted to do. That's like my YouTube dream goal or something. I don't know. Like I want to film a Q&A, but I'm trying to figure out like an interesting way to do it. So like I'm not just sitting down answering questions, because I feel like that's kind of boring. So I don't know if I should do like a mukbang Q&A, or if I should like do a baking Q&A, like I'm baking like cookies or something. I don't know. I'm always baking cookies, so maybe. Or a makeup Q&A. I'm just trying to figure out a cool way to film a Q&A because I don't want it to be boring. So yeah, again, thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Anyways, bye guys. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. Yo out. Wait, I'm gonna do that transition like. Hold on, I need to cover it. Wait. Oh, let's see if that worked. I hope it did, because if it didn't, then that was embarrassing.